Nee guys, kom maar vertel jullie wat het gebeurt. Oh my freaking freakness. So, so I was walking, right? As I'm walking home now. I know, what happened was these people behind me with a dog. I'm gonna use this style to show you. Can you see there? So, so these people, we came around the corner. Guys, I just can't deal. So, two big dogs came running towards us. I'm so sorry, guys. But the picture alone was so funny. I could not hold my laugh. So those people came, and the dog came running. The two big dogs came running towards their dog. And what happened was, I'm actually at the far end of the corner. Only thing I know I heard was whoo, and I was like gone like the wind. When I finally stood still, I'm like, what? What just happened? You know, you know when we say embarrassment to the next level. Such a grown-up person running in the street with plastic bags. I just can't tell. Yeah, yeah. So those people took me from Korea. I'm standing at the far end, so far from them. You could see how far they are from me. And there were three. So the one holding the big dog was there struggling to beat the other dogs away. But the other two, but the other two, instead of helping, guys, I just can't tell. I can't tell. They're like yelled them all behind me, guys, following me. You would swear that we were together. Yeah. So that was the fun for the day, the activity for the day. So, yeah. Watch out for any other jokes till we meet